Indonesia. My name is Jacob. I'm from the United States of America, from Scuto USA. I'm very happy to be here, very happy to introduce you guys to Scuto Group, as well as all the great products that we have. If you can, please come and follow me. I'll show you a bit about Scuto. First, let me introduce you to the Scuto Group. Scuto was founded in 2014. We now have 4 business units specializing in all of your vehicle coating needs. We can coat everything from the underside of the car to the exterior and the glass and everything in between. We specialize in nano ceramic technology. Most of that is from America as well as Europe. And we're here to bring you these products in over 65 cities with over 200 locations nationwide. Scuto is a fantastic company. Our brand has received numerous awards. Perhaps the most important and the most prestigious is the Super Brand Award of Indonesia. We've won this 4 years running, and it is an absolute great accolade for the company and for what we've been doing for our customers. Let me introduce you to the products we have at Scuto, starting with our flagship product. It's the Signature Package. The Signature Package is a complete application for everything on your vehicle to keep it looking shiny and new for many years to come. The next product we offer you is our complete glass solution. This product is absolutely fantastic to have in Indonesia because here you have a lot of hydrocarbon pollution. Hydrocarbon is normally the exhaust that comes from trucks and buses and other cars. With this product, your glass will be shiny and new and very clear and transparent for many years to come. This product is offered as a full service at Scuto. Also, this product has a couple of components where you can do maintenance at home. It is an absolute great product and, in my opinion, an essential product to have anywhere, but especially here in Indonesia. The next product I want to introduce you to is our underbody coating. This is an essential product for here in Indonesia because a lot of the problems that you're going to have over the lifetime of your car are going to show up on the underside. And I know how much you guys here in Indonesia love your cars. We want to keep those protected and looking great for many years to come. This product is from Switzerland. It's applied at any Scuto location that we have here in Indonesia. You spray it on. It's a rubber protection for underbody, and it is an absolutely great product to make sure that your car is going to be new and in great shape for the next 10, maybe 20 plus years. Scuto is a brand that you can trust, and if you put your trust in us for one of your most prized possessions, we're very happy to do all of your paint protection needs. We can offer you something that most other companies could never offer, and that is a full national 2-year warranty, particularly on our Signature Package. You can use this warranty at any of our over 200 locations nationwide. Scuto Indonesia is very happy to give you all of our products and all of our services in over 65 cities, in over 200 locations, and every single year we add more and more products and more locations. We're extremely excited that you can find us at 𝘿𝙧𝙞𝙙𝙀, and we're very happy to help you with all of your vehicle coating needs.